Hello friends, welcome back to English via English. So today's video will be on a specific problem that we all face whenever we try to use the verb go in the perfect tense, be it present perfect, past perfect or future perfect, and we get confused whether go is sufficient to express two different ideas. All right, so perfect tense means we have to use the past participle of that verb go. It will be gone, that's fine, but whether or not that gone verb is sufficient over there is the question and the topic for today's video. Okay, so here is the problem with the verb go or its past participle gone. Okay, so the past participle form gone, it indicates an idea like something that is gone. If I talk about an idea, for example, an opportunity is gone, chances are gone, something is no more available. If we talk about a person, that means that person I'm talking about is no more here with me. For example, he is gone. That means he is off, he is on his way, he is on his way to a particular destination or a particular place, different place other than this one. That means the verb gone, it indicates one-way journey. He was here with me possibly, now he is no more with me, he is on his way to a different location, he might have reached that location, he may be on the way, but he has not returned yet. Okay, that indicates that gone refers to one-way journey, not coming back or returning yet. In other words, the verb gone, it refers to, as I said, one-way journey and staying there, no coming back or no return. Okay, so it is a one-way journey in the recent past. All right, now there is another sort of or type of going, and that is, suppose he has gone somewhere, fine, and then he has come back after spending some time over there in that different location. So this is two-way journey, and this is not what gone refers to. This is a sort of visiting. So in that case, we have to use the word been. So been also indicates a particular or specific way of going and then coming back. That means it is two-way journey. In the lifetime, not in the recent past, but in the whole lifetime. That means through the verb been, we get the idea like someone went from one location to another location and then from there came back to the original location. So it is a complete journey. All right. So because of that completeness of journey, we call it visited. Okay, that means visited is one suitable or perfect synonym for been, but we can't use visited in place of gone because of this basic or fundamental difference between the two. Now the sentence I, we or you have gone to Shimla several times is complicated because, okay, let us drop gone. So the rest of the sentence is indicating the fact that I or we or you, we have all these three, we have made several attempts or we have had our several visitings to Shimla. But visitings means going there and coming back from there, but the verb gone is indicating only one-way journey. So there is a mismatch between the several times and gone. Okay, as a result, the verb gone is not suitable in this sentence. So we have to use been here in place of gone. And now the sentence is correct. I or we or you have been to Shimla several times. That means I am talking about our visitings, going there and coming back from Shimla. But if we get pronouns other than these three, the situation will be different. Like, you see, this time, these three people or three types of people, he, she, or they might not be with me right now, and I'm talking about them. So when I'm talking about them, they might have gone to Shimla. That is quite perfect. That's why the sentence is correct. Then if we modify this sentence slightly, like, then problems arise. Take for example, he has never gone to Shimla. Again, we are confused. Which one? What idea is being expressed over here through the verb go? Is it one-way journey or both-way journey in terms of visiting? So he has or she has or they have never gone to Shimla. That means here the idea is they have never visited Shimla. In that case, gone should be replaced with been. So the correct sentence is he, she, or they have or has never been to Shimla. Alright, then let us now have or encounter a few sentences where either gone or been will be used, and we have to find out or determine whether gone or been has been used correctly in those sentences or not. Alright then, so we have hopefully understood the difference between gone and been. Here are two words, bring and face. They have something similar situations like gone and been. So bring and fetch. Now bring means, again, bring is one-way journey. Somebody is not here with me. Somebody is away from me in a different location. So I'm calling him to bring something over there. That means that person is supposed to carry something, lift something for me. So it will be a one-way journey, just coming from there to my place. But face, this verb indicates somebody is here with me. He will go to a different location, and from there something will be carried over to my place. So bring, one-way journey, face, two-way journey, just like gone and been. That's why we can write or frame sentences like, go and bring my phone. That means somebody who is with me, I am asking that person to go to a different location, possibly to a different room, and from there bring my phone. Okay, but if we use face, then we can replace go and bring the verb face. It indicates the idea of go and bring together. Okay, so either go and bring my phone or face my phone, both are correct. Alright then, 4 sentences. Let us find out if gone or been has been used correctly or not. First one, he is not at home. That means he is away from home. He has been to Shimla. That means he is no more at home. He is on his way to Shimla, hasn't come back yet. That means been is wrong over here. It should be gone because he is no more at home. He is away from home. Next one, a question which we find very often in interview or in common conversation. Have you ever gone to Paris? Now here, the person asking this question is not asking about the recent past activity. He is asking for the whole lifetime experience or visitings to Paris. So it is obviously both way or two ways journey. That's why we have to use been here in place of gone. So the correct version is, have you ever been to Paris? All right, that means have you ever visited Paris? Next, number 3, they have gone out for a walk. That means they are for a walk, they are outside, they are no more inside the house or at home. That means it is one-way journey, and therefore the sentence is correct. Finally, number 4, I know the place very well. I have been there several times. So I know the place very well. That means I have visited that place on so many occasions. As a result, I have got the knowledge of that place. And here, the second part, I have been there several times. That means I have made two-way journeys now and then, very often, several times. So been here is perfect, and as a result, number 4, sentence number 4, especially the second part, is correct. All right, let's come to the second part of the video, pronunciation check. Now have a look. L-O-O-S-E, adjective, and we also get the adverb form by adding ly after it. So the pronunciation is loose, not lose. It's like loose. All right, here accordingly, loosely. Okay, loose, loosely. Then L-O-S-E, verb, the pronunciation is lose, not loose. Okay, then C-L-O-S-E can be both verb and adjective. C-L-O-S-E, when it is verb, should be close, close. Okay, close. But when it is adjective, the pronunciation is close. All right, see the difference? Close, 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 close. Accordingly, this adverb, it should be closely. All right, closely, close, close. All right, friends, so I hope from this video you have sufficiently understood the difference between gone and been. So that's all about this video today. I'll be back with some interesting video for you next. It will be equally scientific, logical, because in that case the concept will be easy to understand, easy to apply, and of course easy to find out if a given sentence is incorrect or correct if that application is there in that particular sentence. So in that way, improve your English grammatical knowledge by watching various contents on this channel, and of course serve your motherland. Thanks for watching.